during a loss during the game, right?
Oh, look at all the fans. They're all here to support Adamson, Coach Schmidt.
Well, they've got a game later.
Ronald
Dulay, that's right. Formerly from UP, ano? Or was Ateneo, pala.
Oh, at the UP.
And UP din.
Tama ka naman.
And they will be seeing action later in another, fight to survive dito sa UAAP because they are also, like NU, at 6-6. Tied
yes,
at 5th. So, from the outside looking in sila, USD is at 4th right now, pero USD not that far away. Couple of won games by either NU or FEU, didikit sila sa USD.
Correct.
Will bring us to a playoff.
So, lalabas dito yung crab mentality, hilahan.
Hilahan ng mababa to.
So, well, Pineda going for an angle this time. Yan ang dapat talaga gawin ni Sheila Pineda. Remember, the blockers of NU are really tall. Napakahirap. And ang hirap to go down the line unless late sila for the block. So you really have to think, well, sa approach mo palang tinitignan mo na kung anong forma ng blockers.
Nice blocking, but they could not keep it on the other side of their court. Pablo scoring. And now Pablo will serve 6-9, set number 2. Pineda.
Pineda once again.
Wow. Pineda picking up where she left off in the last game after scoring 20 points.
Yeah, 20 big points for this girl.
Look how high she goes here.
Yep. Yan ang actually si Pineda has the same talent like Benting eh. They jump high and at the same time they spike quick. Yung mabilis pitik. Pitik ang ginagamit nila. That's why minsan pataas pa lang yung blockers. Nandun na yung bola nila. So even if they're small, pumapasok pa rin yung bola nila in spite of tall blockers on the other side. Kasi mabilis.
Here's a helter-skelter play on the part of National University. They tried, but they just could not get the ball over the net. 11-6, set 2. Nice save by Cortel. Pineda this time pushes.
Well
Salibad.
read by Nepomuceno.
Guevara unable to control it. Pineda wallops it. Good coverage by Cortel in that corner. Pineda.
But they've been going to Pineda, which has been well read by the Lady Bulldogs.
That was a long...
pwedeng exclusively to Pineda.
That was a long rally, and what a finish by Santiago.
And look at that. Napagod na yung player sa Adamson. No one going for the block. Not a single player for the block.
Marzan plays setter. Nepomuceno is blocked. Free ball for Adamson. Pineda, too close to the net.
Oh, yan ang Adam. That's going to be difficult for Pineda. If you put it close to the net, ang hirap for her to angle her hit. That's why, that's why it has to be a little bit away from the net.
And you on the comeback trail here, 8 serving 11. Soriano straight into the face of Santiago. As close a facial as you're ever gonna get from that spot.
Lumusot sa blockers. So, yan ang nangyayari. If yung blockers, medyo may butas yung blocking. So, kailangan side by side talaga.
Soriano again.
Well, si Doc Ian wants to make a correction pala last time kasi, but after na lang the timeout.
Okay.
Do that after the timeout.
We'll listen to Coach Vicente.
Buti niya sa loob. Sa loob yung kuhanin yung bola. Hindi yung nakaganito, inaabangan yung tumama dyan sa inyo. Hindi niyo makukuha yan. Ang larong kalye, pinapatapos-tapos ng kanya. Pag ginanon yung block, sigurado tatalsik. Naintindihan nyo? So para hindi tumalsik yan, anong gagawin? Pupunta yun sa loob yung bola. Hindi makakalusot yan. Nakakalusot kasi mali yung forma ng block ninyo. Ito tayo. Ang layo ng block. Layo sa ilalim. Laksakin mo. National.
Well, going back to the correction of Doc Ian, well, si Kim D ay best blocker pala of the UAAP na nag-champion ng Zobel. Diba ang Zobel girls volleyball team. So Kim D was best blocker. MVP was, she was not MVP kasi sabi ni Doc Ian siya yung MVP. But ang MVP was their setter, Andy Narciso. And best libero also from Zobel was Don Macandile.
Okay.
Macandile. So, yun. Alam niyo naman si Doc Ian wears many hats. So, na-mix up lang ng konti. So, congratulations once again to girls of Zobel.
Well, that's right. Here is Nepomuceno, able to roll it off the arms of Zapata. In addition to our analysis kanina, Mosey, about the fight for the second spot in the standings, USD apparently also has a crack at making number 2 and the twice to beat advantage. So USD and Adamson,
Talagang
two teams
rumble
ang naglalaban.
pa.
Ang only team
Although-
safe is Lasal.
That's right. Although ang USD will be up against
Ateneo
Ateneo
on Sunday.
on Sunday. So,
That's a big
again,
step.
we invite all of you guys to come over, watch the games live, and if you can't, stay tuned.
Yeah, Studio 23 na lang. Well,
Kahit
Nepomuceno.
hindi naman natin sabihin yan, ang dami na talaga eh.
No, exactly. Kaya Nepomuceno has been providing plenty of offense today para sa National University. She's really trimmed her role down from being an offensive player to more of a defensive player with the addition of Dindin Santiago, Sweet Urdas, Myla Pablo. Pero right now, the team needs her. And she's delivering like we always knew she could.
And can you just imagine kung ilang players ang pwede talagang mag-double figure dito, di ba? Dito sa NU, sa Lady Bulldogs. They just have to realize that and work as a team.
Solid block this time on Soriano. They go to Zapanta.
Zapata smartly just got that check ball.
Adamson in control, 16-11 in set number 2 against NU.